Caleb here from Tosa Tool. So in this video I want to talk about the Tosa Tool coolant mister. So it'll come assembled already and in a plastic bag like this. So let's take this out. Okay, and there will probably be a couple zip ties on here keeping it all together. So first there's a 6-foot air hose, and you can hook this up to your air supply, or if you have an air compressor or air tank or whatever. And then there's a 4-foot coolant hose, and you can just stick this in a bucket of coolant. And there's the nozzle like this, and with both of the air and the coolant there are adjustable valves on it, so you can adjust how much of each goes through, if you want a lot of coolant and not a lot of air, or if you want a lot of air and not so much coolant. And there's also this heavy-duty magnet, and you're going to want to put this on the side of your machine, or wherever you want to mount it to position this nozzle. And this magnet has around 60 pounds of pull, I think. So I actually touched it to this plate right here, and it was pretty difficult to take off. But anyway, so this coolant has a coolant filter on it, so it'll filter out all the junk that's in your bucket of coolant. If there's some chips in there, or whatever else is in there. And it has a float, so it keeps it off the bottom of the coolant bucket. So it'll keep it out of all that junk that could settle on the bottom. In the shop there are a lot of machines that don't have coolant, like drill press, saw, lathe, mill, grinder. So if you have air and a little bucket of coolant, you can mist all of your tools with this. So here's some pictures of it in our machine shop, on our mill, lathe, on our drill press. And it's so important to keep all of your cutting tools lubricated and cool, because it's the best way to make them last a long time, which will save a lot on money, and to keep your mess to a minimum. So if you need modular components that you don't see, submit your design to Tosa Tool today. And if you need financing, it's available up to 6 months interest-free through PayPal. Well, until next time, take care.